Welcome back to Eagles FS. This is Euro USD technical analysis starting from the weekly time frame. So let's move. You can see this yellow bar here. This is weekly support level because when price come here, it snap up. When price come back again, it snap up. And this is weekly resistance level because when price comes here, it snap down to this weekly support level. Try it again here, a snap down. And this is another attempt, the third attempt. What do you expect the price to do? What? Snap down. So on this weekly time frame, you notice one thing, that the price is moving sideways. That means the price is ranging from resistance to support, from resistance to support. So we're expecting this price to move from this resistance level to this support level. But the question is, how do we join this movement? Let's go down to various time frame to do what? To answer this question. So let's go to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. The market is doing higher high, higher low on a daily time frame, higher high, higher low, and has gone to test this weekly resistance level and it's coming back again. Price is coming back to this. So, but the question is, what are we expecting on this time frame? We are expecting market to sell to this zone. But how do we join it to sell to this zone? Because this place is a support level on a daily time frame. We will go to 4-hour time frame where we will answer this question and you understand why we are selling this market. Because number one, on a weekly time frame, the market is moving from resistance level to where? To support level. So on a 4-hour time frame, this is 4-hour time frame. Let me show you one thing in this 4-hour time frame. You see this line? You see this line? This yellow bar is a trend line. It's protecting sellers all this while from taking over. You notice that when price come to this trend line, it moves up. You try again, you do what? It moves, it snap up. Not until you go to this weekly resistance level that the price was able to break what? This trend line. That is showing us that this trend from this zone, from this 4-hour zone to this zone is over. I will show you confirmation number two. Now, look at this place. Look at this place. Let me zoom a little. Look at this place. When price come to this weekly resistance level, it dropped to this support level. Try to push up again, but it couldn't. Rather, this red candle, this bearish engulfing candle, breaks below this zone. This zone is the neckline. There's a sharp pattern forming here. When you look clearly, you will see it. Now, let me show you this sharp pattern. This is head and shoulder. This is the head part of it, and this is the left shoulder, and this place is the right shoulder. And chart pattern is known as a reversal pattern. Whenever you see this type of chart pattern on a support level or a resistance level, it is a reversal pattern. Now, the price broke below the trend line and also break below the neckline of this chart pattern. This is this blue bar you are seeing here. So two confirmation already existed. Number one, remember, on a weekly, we expect the market to fall. Then on a 4-hour, the neckline of the chart pattern head and shoulder is broken and the trend line that is protecting buyers is broken. So sellers is about to take over this market. But the question is, how do we join this sell now? Let me show you where you enter this sell on a 4-hour time frame. Let me show you. Okay. So we'll come down and wait. This market will mature by next week. We'll come down and wait. Let this price move down to this zone and snap up this zone. We'll do what? We'll sell from this zone down to the weekly support level. What do we need to hear before we sell? Number one, bearish engulfing candle or a rejection candle on this zone or an evening star formation on this zone. That's when we sell using 4-hour time frame. If we don't want to sell it using 4-hour time frame, we'll do what? We'll move down to 15 minutes time frame and do this. Let me show you. In a 15 minutes time frame, we wait for market to do what? Start coming up in this format. This one is the 15 minutes time frame. Boom, this is our point of interest. Once price come here, we'll do what? We'll wait. Let it clear all this liquidity above here. Let it clear it on a 15 minutes time frame. And what will happen? Wait for exchange of character. Boom, breaking below this lower, higher low. And we'll do what? We'll wait for a retest. Boom, we'll sell this market. So I have given you confirmation and entry pattern. So let me show you another thing that may happen. There are another thing that may likely happen before we sell. If we don't see this formation that I show you, we wait for this. Let price come and break below this zone. See this zone, this daily support level. When price break below it and come back above this place, and we'll do what? We will set this price to do what? To the weekly support level. Okay, so this is our analysis on Euro USD. So to the next pair, USD card. USD card on a weekly time frame is ranging. How do I mean? You can see the market move from this zone to this zone, to this zone, to this zone, to this zone. And where is it going now? It's moving back. So on a weekly time frame on USD card, the market is doing what? Ranging. The question is, the price is already falling down, breaking below this zone. So how do we join this sell to this zone? That is the question. So let's go to daily time frame for further look. Okay, so on a daily time frame, so this is a daily time frame on USD card. What are we expecting? We're expecting what? To sell this market, because when you look at it clearly, we notice that this place is broken. This is a support level on a daily time frame. It has broken, and this is double top on a daily time frame, and this is neckline of this double top, and this place is broken. Not only that this place is broken, this neckline is broken. The trend line that is preventing this market is also broken. So we are waiting for price to retrace to this zone. When price come to this zone, we'll do what? We'll sell it on a 4-hour time frame, and we'll sell it towards this zone. Look at it here. We are selling this market down to this zone. Okay. So on a daily time frame, we are experiencing what? A downtrend on a daily time frame. So let's go to 4-hour time frame, where we're doing what? Picking our entries. So on a 4-hour time frame, we wait for the price. The price has started retracing back already. We wait for the price to complete this retracement by coming to this zone. So this is our point of interest. When price comes to this zone, we will do what? We will sell this market on candle confirmation using bearish engulfing candle, or evening star formation, or a rejection pin back at this zone. We'll sell this market down to the weekly resistance level, or we move down to 15 minutes time frame and look for this chart pattern. Let me draw it. Price will be moving gradually like this, doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Boom, this is our point of interest. Immediately price come to this zone and test this zone, we wait for a change of character. What do I mean? Price snap down a bit and fail to break above here, or it might break above here, but the most important thing is that the price will breach this zone, breaking below the higher low. Once we see this on a 15 minutes time frame, our entry will be at this zone, and we'll sell down to weekly support level. So this is our analysis on USD card. All right, to the next pair, USD chef. So USD chef, let me show you one thing on USD chef. This is weekly time frame on USD chef. You notice what is happening on the USD chef, that the price is ranging currently on USD chef. Wow! When price move to this weekly resistance level, whenever price come to this weekly resistance, price drops. It try again, it drop to where? Weekly support level, and it move again, e do what? It drop to weekly support level. Currently, we are expecting this price to move from this weekly support level to where? To this weekly resistance level. And there's something I'm seeing already on the weekly support level. You are seeing a pin bar here. That's rejection, signifying a reversal pattern towards this weekly resistance level. So the question is, how do we pick up our entry from this weekly support level to this weekly resistance level? Let's go down to various time frame where we answer this question. So let's go to daily time frame for further look. So this is our daily time frame on a week on a USD shelf. Let me show you one hidden truth. Whenever you are trading any pair and you come to a higher time frame support level or resistance level and you see this formation, you see this thing, this is morning star. It's a reversal pattern. When you see it on a higher time frame, it signifies that the price is about to change direction towards opposite. So on a daily time frame, we have seen our reversal pattern that we are looking for. So what do we need to do? We need to wait for price to pull back to this zone. When price pull back to this zone, we'll do what? We will buy this market USD shelf towards our weekly resistance level. But this zone will be our first take profit. So where do we enter this price? We will enter this market at 4-hour time frame. So let's move down to 4-hour time frame to show you how we join this movement. So this is 4-hour time frame. Let me show you. So on a 4-hour time frame, market was coming down. Pay attention, market was coming down from this zone, creating lower low and lower highs, lower low and lower highs, lower low and lower highs, lower low and lower high. And market came and take out this liquidity here, failed to move down here, and rather do what? Break above this zone with bullish engulfing candle. That's what I always say. Whenever I see this thing happen on a support level or resistance level, it means that market is about to change direction. So market has broken below the lower high, creating a new high here. So we expect this market to come back at this zone. Why? Why do you expect this market to come back at this zone? Because there's a gap that needed to be filled. You notice when this green candle moves up, wait, let me show you clearly. Let me use this arrow to show you clearly so that you understand this price action. This is called pure price action. Listen carefully. You see this green candle, when e break above this red candle, closing at this zone, the second green candle, this is 4-hour time frame, the second green candle supposed to come back here to close it before moving up, but rather it didn't come back to close it. Rather, the price movement continues. So leaving a gap here, you see this gap, price will never leave it. Market will come back to do what? To fill it. And I already seen the price action here. You seen this red candle engulfing this green candle, signifying that this price is coming where? This zone. It's coming back to this zone. So when price come back to this zone, we'll buy because we have seen all the confirmation entry we need. We'll buy it towards the weekly resistance level. So this is our analysis on USD chef. I hope you enjoy this analysis. This is Hugo's FS, where we simplify the difficult things, showing you how you can take your trades. If you like what you see, kindly subscribe to my channel. Share this video so that others will see it, and click notification bell so that you know next time when I upload video. If you have not joined our free telegram channel, kindly join our free telegram channel so that you know whenever I drop free signal. See you in my next episode. Cheers.